It's Christy, and I'm here to teach you how to cook super easy, total beginner level cooking for idiots. Cooking if you don't know how to cook or if you are actually cooking for idiots. It doesn't matter. I'm going to teach you how to cook. And today we're going to make Hashbrown Casserole. That is a staple for any holiday season, and we're going to show you how to make it with 5 little ingredients. 5, I think. 5. So, stick around, watch this video, click on the subscribe button, and let's get started. Well, I think this turned out pretty well if I must say so myself. Delicious goodness right there. If you want more recipes, check back with me. Click on the little subscribe button. Click on the little bell so you'll get notified when I've got a new video coming out. I want to teach you how to cook. It's easy. It is seriously easy. When I learned to cook, I didn't know how to do anything but fry and boil an egg, and that was it. Everything else, I taught myself. I want to teach you. Thank you for watching, and come back and see me again. Bon appetit!